Hey food lovers, it's your boy Knox and welcome to my kitchen. So I've been craving cookies all day and the ones at the grocery shop just doesn't cut it. So I decided to make some for myself today. So I'll be sharing with you an easy and quick recipes for your cookies, and I'll be making for you today my special chocolate chips almond cookies. So let's get started. Alright, I'll start by placing my butter and sugar in a large bowl. I've got here half a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of brown sugar. Make sure your butter is at room temperature before you start making your cookies. I will then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and cream with a spatula till it is well combined and I've got a smooth consistency. Check out the description section for a list of all the ingredients I'm using in this recipe. Now that I'm done creaming my butter and sugar, I'll add 1 whole egg and combine. Next step, I'll be adding 1.25 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. Now that I've got all my dry ingredients, I'm going to sieve this into my creamed butter and combine as well. Alright, so now it's time to add the good stuff. I'm gonna add half a cup of milk chocolate chips and half a cup of white chocolate chips. Following this, I've got half a cup of almonds, which I'll roughly chop with a knife. You can use any nuts of your choice or substitute these for dried fruits. If you want to go for something slightly healthier, simply substitute your chocolate chips with rolled oats. This recipe is very versatile and you can adjust it to your preference. I'll then add my chopped almonds to my cookie mixture and combine. The next step will be to get a tray or a large plate. Using a tablespoon or an ice cream scoop, I'll scoop my cookie dough and roll into a ball shape. I've wet my hands here just to prevent the cookie dough from sticking to my hands while I'm rolling them. So with this recipe, I've got 15 cookie balls ready to go. You can obviously double or half this recipe to suit your needs. Following this, I'll chill my cookie in the fridge for at least an hour before baking. This is a very crucial step when making cookies as it helps solidify the fat in the cookies, which prevents your cookies from spreading out too much when it's in the oven baking. In other words, the longer the fat remains solid in the oven, the less spread your cookies will be. You don't want to end up with really flat and spread out cookies. You still want your cookies to still be a bit compact with all your chocolate chips and almond and all your ingredients still compact in your cookies to bite into. Alright, so I've had my cookie balls chilling in the fridge for about an hour. And I've got my oven preheating as well at 160 degrees centigrade for about 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on, I've got here a large tray lined with baking paper. I'm going to transfer my cookie balls to this tray and evenly space them out. You want to leave enough room between each cookie to let them cook properly. So I'm only baking half of this and I'm going to put the rest in a Ziploc bag and pop in the freezer to save for when next I'm craving cookies. The good thing about making cookies is that you can make your cookie balls ahead of time and simply freeze for as long as you want. All you have to do is to let your frozen cookie balls sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before popping in the oven to bake. And I'm going to place my chilled cookie balls in the oven and let bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to let your cookie bake till it's slightly golden around the edges. So my cookies ended up baking for about 18 minutes. I'm going to let it rest for at least half an hour before I start eating. So this is what my cookie looks like on the inside and I absolutely love this and it tastes amazing. It's soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. You get a bit of the almond, the milk and white chocolate chip in every single bite and it's very mouth-watering. If you've got a sweet tooth like me, this will definitely fix it for you. Alright guys, so that's it for me today. Please do give this recipe a go and let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe and click the notification button as well to get updated on every single video I upload. Once again, thank you. See you later.